and good morning. Can you see my window? It's a magic window, and we can see anywhere in the world. Oh, today it's the natural world. This is our planet. It's called Earth. Can you see the different colors? That's right. Green, white, and blue. The blue is where all the marine life lives. The green is the land. The land is where everything else lives, including us. The white is the polar caps. We'll look at them later. But first, let's go and explore seas and oceans. Seventy 70% of the planet is covered by water. That's a lot of water. I hope you can swim. This is a blue whale. It's the largest animal on the planet. It's larger than a jumbo jet. That's big. But don't worry, it doesn't eat people. "25% of all marine life live in coral reefs. These are like cities under the sea for fish, plants, and many other creatures." Phew! Back home. That's some magic window. Why don't you do an activity with your teacher about some of the things you've learned today? See you! Good, you're back. Just in time too. I'm getting ready for another adventure. I'll need to get wrapped up really warm because I'm going to the coldest place on the planet, Antarctica. Whoa! Look at all these little guys. These are called penguins. Antarctica is home to over 10 million penguins. But what other animals live in Antarctica? fish, crabs, lobster, seals. Can you see my breath? Why can we see our breath when it's cold outside? Well, when the warm air from our bodies mixes with the cold air outside, it forms a little cloud. I think it's time to go somewhere a lot warmer. Phew! When I said warmer, I didn't think it would be this hot. This is the Sahara Desert, one of the hottest places on the planet. Temperatures can reach up to 58 degrees Celsius. That's pretty hot. Now, you wouldn't think much could survive here, but you'd be surprised. The Sahara Desert is 9.4 million square kilometers. Whoa, that's big. The Czech Republic is 79,000 square kilometers in comparison. The River Nile runs right across the desert, bringing much needed water to the region. The typical animals that manage to survive here are snakes, scorpions, rodents, and camels. See you later, kids!